In today's world, every exchange between supplier, carrier, warehouse, staging site, and customer exposes your shipment to loss or misplacement. Shipment damage, mishandling, and thefts cost businesses billions annually. GPX helps you avoid these losses. Shipping valuable goods demands more than a tracking number. We demand real-time visibility, accountability, and transparency. Introducing GPX's advanced shipment tracking suite, safeguarding your high-value shipments every step of the way. Our real-time trackers monitor your shipments through our proprietary platform, offering insights like geofence alerts and shipment progress. GPX Intelligence is trusted to track critical organ transplants, one of the most delicate and critical shipments of all. But that's just a portion of what we track. GPX serves a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, medical, pharmaceutical, and high-value goods. Don't let shipping anxieties hold you back. GPX empowers you with peace of mind. Visit gpx.co today to discover the power of GPX's shipment visibility for your business.